Welcome to my channel, Gabrieles Miss. I am Rosemary, also known as vivikarrina, and today we have an unboxing to do from Soapy Oaks Farm. You know, I love Soapy Oaks Farm's products, so I will be. He did a sale on his website. He announced it on his YouTube, Patrick, and I made a purchase. So yeah, I love his products. Even though I made soap and I opened this, even though I made soap, we use different recipes, and I love to try all of his stuff. He do great stuff, and he also put ingredients that I don't use in my soaps, or I don't have, like, you know, the manuka honey. I never hear about it, maybe in Spanish but not in English. So yeah, I'm trying to open you. You're fighting me. He packages this very well, as always. Now we'll be opening. I always get a grab bag from him because I like surprises, and because he have a lot of stuff and I don't know what I want to get, so I always get a grab bag. Why? I don't know. I just go straight to the grab bag. By the way, I gave my mother the injured soap and the other one, I think it was, don't remember, but she loved it. She surely loved it. So let's see what we have in here. The first thing I grabbed is the red cedar powder that I ordered. Nice. This is 2 ounces, made in Texas. This is grown on his farm, so you know where it comes from and what it is really inside of it, and it's red cedar powder. So yeah, there you go. Thank you. I will be using that. Here I have a Easter Soapy Frog Easter edition. Oh, let's see who's coming to the family. New addition to the family. I wonder what his name will be. But you should give them a name so we know what name we're getting in the adoption of the froggy. Indigo, I will call it. This is Indigo. Thank you. Smells really good. I love it. Smells very awesome. Now you will stay out of your cage. Stay there. And because it's hot outside, it's a little melted in the top because it's really hot. Right here in Tennessee, it's 80 something right now on the sun. Oh my god, yeah. Sorry, it's really hot. Oh yes, I got a lemongrass lip balm. I love this. I use them. I gave one to my mother. She loved it. Love it. I use one for, you know, I use it every night. I got an herbalist blend. Wow. Exfoliating hand soap. Okay. This is a big bar. These grab bags, you always get great stuff, and this is great. Look what I got. This is beautiful. This is a big bar. I don't have this one. Garden Glory, another big bar. He's very generous. Organic juice of Vergne, Kill Color. So there you go. Things that I don't have. This one have walnut shell, juniper leaf, stinging needle, comfrey leaf, orange peel, clove leaf, anise essential oil. So this is a really nice blend you have in here. It's beautiful. I love it. Nature stripes. Oh, this is nice. This is awesome. Great label. This is beautiful. Look at those colors. Wow. It's beautiful. This time, as you can see, he didn't put all the paper wrap, but it's okay because chamomile fill. There is the chamomile, a great size bar again, 5 ounces. Oh my god, the smell, I can tell you they are botanical because they are essential oils in it. So olive wood, beautiful, big huge bar. This is not a big bar, this is a huge bar. Okay, look at those swirls. It's smiling at you. Beautiful. Goat milk, olive oil, castor oil, olive wood powder. Wow. Amazing. This one is cosmic charcoal. Wow. Another one big. I saw his video doing this one. Cosmic charcoal. Love the black label. Oh my god. Look how pretty. This is nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Coconut butter, almond oil, or oak charcoal, nice. Lavender cream, and it is a creamy bar. Creamy bar, very beautiful. Oh my god, smells awesome. The lavender color in it is very natural, very nice. I'm loving this. You know I love his products. You know. Oh, we have a casualty. We have a casualty. We have a casualty. Why? It opened the avocado luxury, but they will go in again. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Okay, it open. It open. This is the avocado luxury. The back open. Laurel berry oil. Oh, this is nice. This is a luxurious. Oh my god, I can smell the laurel berry oil in it. Wow, I love it. I am loving this. Yeah, no missing parts inside. Let me see. but these smell great. They use in this one hemp seed oil also. This is a luxurious bars, mini bars. He using here the oil that you use in an Aleppo soap, so it's really nice. He was so generous in this one. I got another one. Oh yes, this one is the Leprechaun Bubbles. This one is from the collaboration of Drunken Soap. I will be linking that collaboration in the description information down below, so you guys can go and see and give some support to my fellow soapers. I love this bar. It's really huge. And he put some Ebates on top. That is that one. Then I got his card. Soapy Ox Farm. Thank you. You're so generous. And an awesome creator, an awesome soaper, very good artist. This is Chaparral. This one have chaparral infused almond oil in it, and it's a beautiful bar also. You can see my camera all hooked up in there. Beautiful bar. I love this grab box. It's a surprise always. Love it. Aquafaba. Oh, this one has bean in it. Yes, bean. Oh my god, look how pretty those swirls are. This is beautiful. Really hard. Deep moisturizing formula bar. Vetiver. Essential oil in it. Wow. This is a wow factor. Look how pretty. Go get yourself a grab bag. You won't be disappointed. And this one is the last one. This is a tea tree bar. This one has French yellow clay in it, green clay, French green clay, Brazilian red clay. This is a great bar for the face, I believe, because it has tea tree oil, and if you have acne, it will help you get all those oil out of your face because it has clays in it. So this is a great bar for my face, so I can wash my face with it. Look, those stuff so pretty. Look. And the colors, very pretty. Thank you so much, Patri. I love your grab bags, and I recommend to everyone these grab bags because they are awesome. You will never get disappointed with them. So I will be taking pictures as always. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Go visit Patrick. Go visit his store. You won't get disappointed. Yeah, show him some support and some love. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Blessings. Love you all. Bye bye.